What's up, bro?
Not much, brother.
Sorry.
I appreciate the help you've given me so far, man.
You lose some weight?
Did I?
Yeah.
No.
You haven't lost weight since I saw you in Punta Gorda?
I don't think so.
I could have swore you were a bigger guy.
No.
So this is where they won't let you inside?
No, yeah, they won't let you inside because they say that they don't have a desk officer.
Mm-hmm.
And they say that there's no estimated time whenever they're going to get one.
Mm-hmm.
And there's no seating outside.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
So what are you doing here?
I'm just doing a records request.
And you're doing it from outside?
Yeah. Some people they take inside, some people they don't. You know, it's crazy.
Really?
And it started during COVID. You know, it's one of them things that some of them are actually working from home still. You know, they get the benefit of not having to do their job as much, and then they don't want to lose that. You know?
So they could definitely see us right now, right?
I'm sure they have cameras on us, but I don't know if they know what we're doing. You know, they know who I am. Most times when I go to facilities, they know my name and everything, my whole name.
It's okay. They know mine too.
I'm sure that they have pictures of me up and everything. Like when I leave here, if I go somewhere else, they'll know that I was here.
All right, everybody, we're here with Cammed Up Caveman, who was just trespassed from the Pasco County Tax Collector's Office for recording inside. We're at 20105 Central Boulevard in Pasco County, Florida. This is the Pasco County Sheriff's Office, and I believe that's the jail over there. And then this whole, basically, swath of land is all cops and spooks and jails and people that throw people in jail for victimless crimes, etc.
The county jail was recently taken over by the commissioners because the sheriff's office couldn't afford to do the upgrades or make it.
That was here?
Yes.
This jail?
The jail right there.
Because who couldn't afford the sheriff?
Make it bigger.
How are you, sir?
Good. You guys auditors?
Yeah.
No shit, who you with?
I'm JohnFilax.
I'm Doug. I probably follow you, man. I follow all the auditors.
This is Cammed Up Caveman.
That, I follow you. I've heard of you before, man. Hey, keep it up. You guys are friggin' awesome. I wish I could do what you guys did, but I have a job. Even though I know you guys
Yes, I need to make a public records request,
dude.
please.
What's your name?
Doug.
Okay.
Keep it up, man. I'm serious. You guys
Doug, it's
are-
a breath of fresh air to see someone like you. Because most people hate us and they want to attack us and everything else.
Oh, for your constitutional rights?
Yeah.
Oh my God, heaven forbid you flex it.
You got it,
Dude, I
brother.
have been watching since San Joaquin. Since the beginning he started. I watch all you
I started
guys.
right before him.
They just had an incident, what is it, about 2-3 months ago over at the Pasco County. By the records section over there.
What kind of incident?
There's one female deputy came up there because they didn't want the guy recording inside. That might have been you.
Where at?
Do it. It was up by the Pasco County off of, by the courthouse, Pasco County Courthouse, off of Little.
Okay. Nah, it wasn't me.
Probably me.
There was an incident up there where
They had the
lady
helicopter
sheriff came
on
out
and everything.
there. Did they really?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Yeah, they don't even let you in the lobby.
What'd they say?
No, keep it up, guys. I can't appreciate you.
Bless you, brother. We need 1 billion of you.
Hey, I follow you guys. I like every time I see your guys' video. Yeah.
You don't hate any of us?
Okay, great. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Hi, how are you?
Hi. I forgot your name. You're here to take my records
Yes,
request?
right, Lori.
Lori? Okay. For this incident right here, you can keep that.
Okay. All right, so you would just need this?
What I need is body cam footage
Okay.
for Officer Crawford
The Schrock.
and Officer Schrock.
Rock.
Yes. I need the body cam footage, a copy of the trespass warning, a copy of the witness statement, and a copy of the report.
Go ahead, brother.
Let me just see what I can get for you now.
Okay, if
cool.
at least I need the trespassing warning, if I can get that now.
You write your number down, man. I'll call you next time we go out. You don't have to say anything. You can just stand by, you know. It's better just to have an extra body there, just like the cops do for no reason.
Yeah. So they try and trespass you off public property?
Yeah, they did.
The tax collector, the like DMV down there.
Yeah, the one. Oh, you're talking about the one on 41. Okay, I was thinking about the other one in Pasco County. Yeah, you can't even remember the name.
He lives in Dade City. I live over here, close by.
Do you really?
Yeah.
What was your name again?
JohnFilax.
John, what's your name? Yeah, let's see.
440
440.
525 3893. John Filax. Filax. Same as my channel.
Yeah, no, I've seen you on.
I guarantee you've seen it.
Oh God, yeah.
I got stopped for not speeding down there in 41. The video got 19 million views.
Oh, good for you, man. That's friggin'
That's
awesome.
usually the one everybody remembers.
That is friggin' awesome.
Actually, let me go on this side so when they open the door. Thank you.
My name is Doug. You ever do anything on the, well, you guys ever do anything on the weekends?
Usually government's not open on the weekends.
Correct, yes.
But yeah, if something's going on and we get a call, we jump, man. We do what we can do.
If they offer something like that, I'll give you a buzz. And if you're in route or something, I'll meet you out there, whatever. But
Where
man,
you stay?
I would love to join you guys.
What city you in?
I'm in Newport Richie.
Okay, he's in Dade, I'm here.
Yeah.
So yeah, call.
If I ever get a day off, I'll text you. Hey, let me know. But dude, keep it up, man. I'm serious.
Bless you, man. It's good to meet a fellow patriot.
Hey, every time. Thank you, guys.
brother.
See you, my man. That was cool.
Yeah,
At least it wasn't a hater.
yeah.
The haters are all working here, they don't know. So he just asked for the body cam video from when he was trespassed from the DMV in Land Lakes, Florida, and they trespassed him for recording, and they had some lawyer draw up some garbage policy about you can't record within 200 feet of people taking a test and all this other BS. So he's here to get the body cam footage, and I think I'm going to test that DMV out in the next couple days and maybe serve him up some paperwork and see what I could do. How are you, sir? You just have to talk to the
button,
thing.
And then, depending on which department you want, you'll push this button. Whichever button corresponds to the department.
Dude, you see all them cop cars down there?
Yeah.
Like, in the
There-
field?
There were more. It used to be packed, but I think they took them all to auction whenever the commissioners took over. Probably 2 months ago, I seen them, and I recorded them all.
I always thought the jail was that building right up on the road
Yeah, no.
for years. Doing all right, sir? Speak English?
Here.
What do you speak? Spanish?
Spanish.
Background check? Okay. Go ahead and fill that out and I'll be right back out for you, okay?
When I leave here, I'm gonna go request the 911 calls.
From where?
And also, I have to go to Newport Richie to the call center there and do that.
I'm gonna go poop, and I didn't go to bed till 7, dude. I could not fall asleep. I'm glad I woke up right when I did, because I woke up, checked my phone, and there you were.
I don't sleep that good because of my back. It's been pretty bad lately. Usually when I'm active, like today, it'll take me a few hours to go home and...
That Canon's recording,
This one? No, I didn't turn it on yet.
but it does record?
Body cam, yeah.
Oh, your thing has a little sleeve for the wind.
I put that on there.
Does it work?
It helps a little bit.
Just record from your beard.
Yeah. I just use the little sticky things that you put hang.
You had to have lost weight, dude, since that Gary Snow video. No? No way, dude. I remember you as a bigger dude, fatter. Man, good thing you don't have to use the bathroom. So what are you waiting on? Yeah, it's for those body cams. I'll bring them to you.
See what she can get from me right now.
Oh.
Usually they make me wait, you know, it usually takes at least a week. Sometimes I get some records within a couple days. Sometimes it takes a couple of weeks.
There's no way she can give you camera footage right now, is it?
Yeah, no. That'll have to be processed. Like I said, last time I was here, the body cam footage that I received, they actually blurred all of the police officers' faces. I mean, it is personal information that can't be released.
Cops have personal information?
Well, there is statutes that you can't, they can't release their address or their phone numbers or the address of relatives or anything like that.
Yeah, but you can go up to their house.
Yeah.
So what, you can't record their address?
You can do it, but they can't release it, is what they're saying. Like, that's what the statute.
Oh, that's what they're saying.
That they can't release.
But we can, right?
Yeah. Like the body cam footage that I got that they blurred the faces, I actually used my video and put the video of them over top of the body cam footage.
Think this is an employee?
Yeah, it is. He's a nice guy.
No.
Just give me a few minutes.
I've
We'll bring it back up.
introduced, we talked a couple times.
How are you, sir?
Sir, are you able to sign something for all week? That's okay. So this is
Is there a bathroom in there, young lady?
this isn't open to the public.
I can't use the bathroom?
No.
Is there a nearby bathroom?
So the public restrooms, the closest one is going to be over the jail.
I'm about to jump in the porta potty in a minute. You been to the bathroom?
I didn't hear you.
You been to the bathroom over there?
No.
Okay, here is the trespass. Here is these are searches for the body worn camera that you just did. But I just need, how do you want to email the invoice and the,
Yes.
to you? Okay,
I'll
what's,
give you my email
Okay, go
address.
ahead.
CAMDCAveman@gmail.com.
okay.
All right, thank you.
She will get that to you,
All right.
the invoice and everything, and that's the two items that you need, right?
What's that?
That was, those are the two papers you just needed?
Yes.
Okay.
Were there any witness statements?
I didn't really go over it yet. Actually, probably not because it's only an event ID number. It's not a whole report, so it doesn't really say too much. I can give you the call if you want that one.
The call?
The actual call, yeah. Not just the trespass. It's actually the.
You mean the report call?
Yeah, the one that the
Okay.
2023. I can give you that.
Okay.
You want that?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm gonna leave my phone running, man. I gotta go to the bathroom.
All right, go.
If you leave, just take it with you.